here to do an inspection is something that I suggest my clients do. It uncovers any of the issues that we can't see during a showing.
I'm Bill Root. I'm with Root's Home Inspection. So the windows are actually newer. If you look in here, July 2019.
New windows, that's a big plus.
Yeah.
We're gonna be looking for any type of electrical issues. You have a 100 amp service to the unit, which is nice.
It's exciting, but it's also a little bit nerve-wracking because we don't want anything to come up that could jeopardize things.
This outlet's not grounded. It's loose to the wall, we say here. Plumbing issues. The shower head leaks a little bit. The sink trap's improperly installed here. Any type of interior issues. You have some flaking paint here to the ceiling. Most of these associations don't let you put a fan in because they don't want you having any more penetration through the wall. Anything that can affect this sale or affect my buyers.
You gotta turn the fireplace on, babe.
I'll turn it on in just a second.
Oh, no. I was talking to my wife.
Oh. If there is anything that's major, they can go back to the sellers and negotiate or decide to move on to another deal.
The door doesn't have clearance, huh?
No, I'm gonna put that in the report. The association, which controls the condo complex, owns things behind the walls. Any type of water pipe that's in an unheated space like a garage, I do recommend that you insulate. Again, since this isn't common area, it may be an association issue, not an issue that you have to deal with. I'm thinking maybe someone may have tapped this with their car at some point is what I don't think, because you don't see any other issue here with the foundation wall. The next piece that we're gonna look at is gonna be your electric panel. I'll pop that open. We'll see if there's anything going on inside. I believe this is actually for aluminum wire connectors.
You were expecting it to be copper wire, right?
Everything that's connected to the breakers is copper, but the branch wiring behind the walls is going to be aluminum. It creates a potential fire hazard. You just want to make sure, if they have paperwork that says, we did a full aluminum wire abatement here, we did all the proper things.
I mean, that it needs to get fixed, yes.
Yeah.
That's not the question. It's so it doesn't stop them from getting the house.
Well, as long as you have that paperwork, there's not going to be any issue because they've done the appropriate repairs to remediate the issue. So I would just go back and follow the paper trail, see what there is.
Thanks a lot, babe.
All right.
Appreciate it.
No problem.
Yes. Thank you so much for coming.
No problem.
Typically, homeowners, especially first-time homeowners, have two reactions to the home inspection. They see everything and they go, seems like not a big deal. We really want this place. Who cares what comes up? Or they look at it and they go, oh my gosh, this place is horrible. I need people to fix all these things. And you know, it doesn't mean one is right or one is wrong, but you have to understand that all of these houses are old and there's gonna be problems. So don't ever expect a clean bill of health, but also understand, you know, termite damage and sewer problems cost a lot more money than replacing a receptacle that's not grounded.
So the next step would be to talk to the attorney once we receive the report. We'll go over the major points and we'll negotiate with the sellers and see what they can do for us.
Getting to this point of doing a home inspection, having an appraisal, definitely feels like we're marching towards closing and home ownership. So yeah, it definitely feels real.
So appraisal is happening tomorrow. You don't have to be here for appraisal. The appraiser will come, he'll check the property, make sure that it's actually everything is good for FHA, but also just, you know, that is worth the value that you're paying for.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.